Hello children, let's learn three-letter words with the help of add family. A says a and the D says d. A-D, add. A-D, add. Now to make three-letter words, blend add sound with different consonants. P says per. A-D, add. Per, add a pad. Per, add a pad. S says sir. A-D, add. Sir, add a sad. Sir, add a sad. M says ma. A-D, add. Ma, add a mad. Ma, add a mad. D says duh. A-D, add. Duh, add a dad. Duh, add a dad. Children, now you have learnt add word family. So, it's rhyming time. Rhyming words have same sound in the last. So, chant with me. A-D, add. Pa, add a pad. Da, add a dad. Sa, add a sad. And ma, add a mad. Come on, repeat after me. A-D, add. Pa, add a pad. Da, add a dad. Sa, add a sad. And ma, add a mad.